go check out our room?
Is it nice?
What's up, everyone? A little bit different video today. We are actually on our way to Case's first race down in Rayford, North Carolina, and we made a stop at Great Wolf Lodge. All right, we're gonna go see what Great Wolf Lodge has to offer. I know the kids are super excited and can't wait for a little bit of fun at the water park. Boys, are you excited?
Yes!
Is that fun? All right, which one next?
I want to do that slide.
Okay, let's go.
Look, Mama, you should do that slide too.
Okay. Did you guys have
This
fun?
is so much fun.
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun at the water park? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the water.
That's a solid answer for a water park.
You're going to lost your shoes again.
See.
Okay, shoes.
See.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Mommy, not even gonna
Thank you
say
so much.
It's like a koala. What's the
Big muscles.
Give me another kiss.
Aww.
I love you.
Oh, you love your mommy?
Look at Daddy. Say, you love you. Love you. Love me. This is so out of the ordinary. I never get kisses from you.
3 in a row picks up 3 points, the highest value.
Good. Nice. Yeah, pick it. What do you got down there? Yeah. What are you doing?
Which one did you do?
I did all of them.
Good. Got it. Back from a whirlwind of a trip. The boys had a ton of fun at Great Wolf Lodge, and then Case went on to his very first race. If you haven't checked that video out, I will link that up above. Overall, just great to do something different. I know this was a different type of video. I definitely recommend getting there on a weekday, much cheaper. There's a ton of codes out there that you can find online to lower that price. It's crazy expensive on the weekend, but I definitely recommend. You can bring in your own stuff to the hotel, your drinks and food and stuff, and have them up in the room. Definitely a way to cut costs because it gets a little pricey eating inside the water park. All right, well, thanks a lot for everyone that tuned into this video, and I'll catch you all next time.